As you can see on my screen here, I've been able to mine free Bitcoin into my wallet, and I'm still mining free Bitcoin. Another way, we can also mine your BNB, your Dogecoin, Litecoin, Tron, and TRX coins into your wallet. And the most exciting part is you can receive payments via your Trust Wallet, Coinbase, Binance, or Faucet Pay account. So you can just transfer your Bitcoin or any crypto coins you'll be earning out here into all this wallet I've mentioned about. There is no investment in this and there is no deposit in this. So I'll show you how you can create an account for this and how you can go about it in this video. All right, so let me sign up with this particular website here. But you should all note that, please, I'm no way a financial advisor. I'm just guiding you and taking you through how you can also start making money online. And bear in mind that we are here on online to make money, when you're not on the internet to just make an investment into other platforms. Okay, so I'll be showing you everything you have to know here. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, and give me your comment as you are watching this. As soon as you open the app, or as soon as you open the link, this is the overview of the page. And as you can see here, you can see the login button here, the register button here, and down here are people just withdrawing their coins out from the website. Okay, so the link to this particular website can be found under the description of this video. You can check it out there and then to access the website. Moreover, you can join my Telegram and WhatsApp group. They are both found under the description. As soon as we click on the register, it will tell you to provide your name, your email address, and create a password. So you make sure you provide a valid email address, and you make sure that the password you're going to repeat here must be similar or must be the same as the password you created yourself. After that, just click on the sign up button out here, and then it will successfully take you into the website. I already have an account, so I'll just continue to log in and show you how you can also start making money, or how you can also start mining your cryptos out from this particular platform. All right, I do on my channel is to make money with you guys and also deal with cryptocurrencies. Okay, good. So as we come here, my page is on the mining aspect. I can shift it to the buy power aspect. I can shift it to the swap. So of course, when you come to the swap, this is how it works. Assuming I have a whole lot of Bitcoin and I want to convert this Bitcoin into Binance, I'll just click on the first one here. So from you select the coin you want to transfer the amount of Bitcoin or the amount of coins from to the other one. So I want to have a whole lot of BNB. I want to swap it into Ethereum, right? I want to swap it into Ethereum here. All right. Okay, so be a BTC to Doji. All right, so let's say I have an amount of BTC and I want to convert it into Dogecoin. So it will show you everything you have to know. After that, just click on the swap BTC and everything will be converted into that one for you. All right, good. So that's actually how it works. And as you come to the affiliates here, it talks about how the website introduces itself and a whole lot of it. You can chat the customer service care here. All right, so you can also do that here. Please, there is a deposit here, but I'm not interested in deposit because I'm mostly online to make money. I'm not here to make an investment. And you can also visit the buy power in order for you to increase the rate at which my this BTC is running. So as soon as you increase your power, your BTC level or the amount, the way it runs is also going to be faster. And for you, currently it is at the